looking for a bit of extra protection for your VR2, then this is a video for you. And don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those gaming products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi gamers, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we're going to be checking out a couple of accessories to protect your PlayStation VR2 externally and internally. Let's jump straight into it. Right, so two of the main parts of the VR2 that you want to protect is obviously this outside casing and these cameras, and then you want to protect the lenses. Right, so today we're going to be checking out the Psvr2 silicone case protector. This is an outside case to protect those cameras. Also, you've got a replacement rubber face mask. So if your face mask getting a bit grubby or it's damaged, you get a replacement one of those. You get some thumbsticks, and there should be a lens cover in here to protect those lenses. Right, so the marks up left and right, so those should just slot over those lenses with ease. And that's going to protect those lenses from dust and debris while your VR2 is out of use. Right, so that's a pretty snug fit. It is silicone as well, so it's going to protect it from any damage when you're placing it down. Going to give you a bit of space to protect those cameras. You've got gaps here for your air vent, so that's not going to affect your fan in any way. On the bottom, you can still get access to your microphone, your on-off switch, and your see-through mode. As we look at the top, you've still got access to the lens adjustment and the ice adjustment when you adjust that in and out. So it's not affecting any part of the VR2, but it's going to give you that extra protection and just keep it nice and clean and protected from dust and debris. And they also get a replacement mask for the front, so if your mask's looking a bit dirty or grimy, you can replace this. So you can obviously put this one on while you're cleaning the other one and vice versa. We've also got some thumbstick attachments. I'm not really a fan of these, they just feel a little bit weird, but you do get those included in the pack. Don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those gaming products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so enjoy the video, and as you can see, some great accessories you can get for your VR2 to protect the outside. And that lens protector works really well to stop the VR2 getting scratched on the lenses, especially when you've got the cable inside your VR2 unit and it's in storage. And for those who are looking to upgrade your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller with a little bit more grip, check out this video next. And for those of you looking at expanding the memory on your PS5, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy gaming, and I'll catch you next one.